Hey everybody, today we're going to make my favorite dinner. My favorite dinner is stuffing. Yum 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 yum. You can call it stuffing or you could call it chicken Swiss melt casserole. So it has two names. Stuffing, chicken, melt casserole. That is the two names. These are the ingredients you will need. Let's start with some good stuff. And you know why I like stuffing? Because it's made of cheese. This is a little bit the same like cheese. And I like cheese. And it's made of chicken. I like chicken. Yum, yum, yum. First, use this to spray inside of your Crockpot. Now, mix cream of chicken with 1 cup of milk. And stir it up. Now you put your chicken breast in a chop pot. Now pour 1 can of mixed vegetables. Make sure to drain the water. Now cover with Swiss cheese. There's our cheese. Now let's put a cream of chicken over it. Now spin the stuffing mix over whole, but look like, and this is what it looks like. I'm adding 1/4 cup of butter. Now pour the butter over the stuffing, but first you need to look at it. Not look at it, pour it. Okay, it's all done. Now it's cooking on low for 6 hours. On high for 4 hours. I can't wait for dinner. And I got another thing to tell you. Push the subscribe button. See you in a while. Hey, it's all done now. Look at that tasty food. Let's try it. Delicious. Let's see what Anna thinks of it. Oh, a little hot, but it's good. Yum. Okay, thanks for watching. Push the subscribe button. Bye.